thing what that nigga 50 done did to you. Get desperate, searching for a friend, a helping hand neglected. Now from only ours, from M fans, respected. It's over when the streets don't want you. Your homies done told you, you know you done fucked up, don't you? And we ain't met shit with them niggas you running to. Probably done told you what Buck say, he gon' do it. The funny thing is taking more time than I thought for the unit kiss that ass in New York. Just when you think the beef's over and you kick your feet up, them little bitty niggas pops up with heaters. Some things that never change in war is one of them. Your homeboy was strapped but you died in front of him. Unit is the gang till I'm dead and gone. I'm about to kill two birds with one stone. Follow me. See, niggas know I ain't from up here, man. Niggas know I ain't from New York. Niggas know I'm from Cashville, Tennessee. But niggas know I got a couple enemies around this motherfucker.
Get Lil Pat.
Some niggas know I ain't having it, some niggas don't. All I'ma say is, man, it's about to go down. Let's get it. Now let me explain something, cause niggas is straight frontin' and shine. Nigga really must think it's a game or something. My first heard 50 talking about he would fuck with him. My homeboy asked shot to see what was up with him. A couple days passed, I asked him, have you heard from the cat? He said, nah, who knows, the nigga might not call back. On my way to Jacob, about to pick up my chain, I hear Shine on the radio, the shit that he saying ain't adding up to what the fuck my ears just heard. Right before you start talking to Earl. See, before you meet the general, you gotta kill the front line. Couldn't get rich, so you probably died trying. And I ain't trying to battle you, nigga, I'm just revealing the truth. No matter how many verses you do, coward, I'm through. Your release date when you come home, Ashanti probably tell you that Buck killed two birds with one stone.
Shadyville.
This shit crazy, man. You niggas is fucking crazy, man. You
Pretty
niggas
shy.
hide behind these fucking TV cameras, radio interviews and shit. This shit real over here, man. G-Unit, nigga. And I'm through with this shit.
Can't forget. Woo. Jesse. Money Raw.
Hey yo, what up, man? It's your boy Lloyd Banks, and right now you're tuned in to the G-Unit Radio. You heard me with my homie, my motherfucking homie, DJ Who Kid on Sirius Satellite Radio. Give me the fucking money, yo.